Take a ride in the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows. Come take a test drive today.